Class, how are you students? Now today your topic of discussion is digestion. Open your books, which is lower secondary science 2, page number 84. Student, as I have explained you complete about the digestion, the parts of digestive system. Today in this video I will explain you the diagram of digestive system, human digestive system. Student, in this diagram you can easily see all the organs, all the parts which is included in human digestive system. Number first one is mouth. Student, as the first part is mouth, in the mouth tongue is present. As I have explained you, tongue rolls the food towards the esophagus. Saliva glands are also present in the mouth, which secretes the saliva, and saliva when mixed with the food it forms a semi-liquid mass of a food. Student, next part is esophagus. When the food migrates, move towards from the mouth towards the stomach with the help of esophagus. Next is stomach. Student, stomach is the muscular bag, and inside the stomach breakdown of protein take place. Here is a liver, gallbladder, bile duct, pancreas. Student, these are the additional component, additional parts of digestive system. From the bile duct, from the liver, a bile duct originates and it creates the bile juice, and bile juice which is created from the liver will help in the digestion of food. Next, student, is the pancreas. Student, from the pancreas, pancreatic duct originate, and the pancreatic juice will be excreted out from the pancreas, and it will digest the proteins molecules. Student, next is small intestine and the large intestine. This part is the small intestine and this is the large intestine. Student, small intestine has three parts. Number first part is the duodenum, second part is the jejunum, and third part is the ileum. Student, the starting point of small intestine is the duodenum, second one is the jejunum, and here is the ileum. Student, next, the small intestine. In the small intestine the digestion and small intestine will open into the large intestine. Student, in the large intestine no digestion take place, only the absorption of food take place. This is the large intestine. Large intestine also has two parts, colon, rectum. Student, these are the parts of the large intestine, and from in the large intestine all the undigested food will move towards the rectum, and from the in the rectum the undigested food consisting of fibers and all the unnecessary things will store for a while in the rectum, and then the undigested food will be excreted out through the anus, out of the body. So this is a complete sketch of human digestive system. Student, now here in this diagram separately explain all the parts of digestive system. Here is the mouth. In the mouth digestion take place with the help of salivary glands. Next is the esophagus. Student, in this diagram you can see that in the esophagus the longitudinal muscles contract and relax and push the food from the mouth towards the stomach. You can see that circular muscle relax allowing the tube to open wider. This is the food. When the muscles contract, the food migrates, move downward. Next, student, this is the stomach. In the stomach you can see in this diagram, here is the stomach, liver. From the liver bile ducts originate. This is the bile duct, and from the liver pancreatic duct originate. You are here mean this is a food. Next, student, this is a small intestine. Here the small intestine, ends of small intestine or ileum. When the food moves towards the small intestine and move towards the large intestine, this is the large intestine. Student, the food might move towards the large intestine, and undigested food will excrete out of the body through the anus. So this is a complete explanation of digestive system. Thank you, students.